Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. So today's video is going to be about the fear of public speaking and how you can conquer it. So before I begin, there is this one important point that I would like to share with you all, which is nobody, and believe me when I say this, nobody is a born public speaker. It's a skill that anybody can develop. So with this, I'll start with my story. This goes back to when I was in class 4th. There was this fancy dress competition at school, and I had dressed up as the messenger of peace. Imagine, I was smeared in white paint, and there was this Hindi poem that I had to recite in front of the entire audience. So when I reached center stage, I completely froze. I stood there for good, I think 30-40 seconds, but I couldn't utter even a single word. Needless to say, I was traumatized as what a 4th class kid would have been at that point of time. But then fast forward to when I was in class 6th. So when I was in class 6th, there was this storytelling competition that I had to take part in. I had to narrate a story for good 6-7 minutes, I guess. And this time I memorized the story by heart. I practiced a lot and I stood first. That is when things really picked up for me, when I really understood that this is something that I can do. This is not something which is not out of reach or something which I just can't do. So that is when things picked up. I started participating in more and more competitions and things gradually improved. Yeah. So today I'm going to share with you all a few points which might help you all in your journey of public speaking. Point number 1, know your content. See, this might be an extemporaneous event or an event where you have to memorize the script. Whatever be the case, just know what you are talking about. If possible, just have some bullet list handy so you know what it is that you really need to touch base on. Point number 2, make good use of visual aids. See, if this is an event where you can use presentations, then you must. See, if you're not very well versed with the PowerPoint presentations, then you can ask for help from your friends, your colleagues. They will help you out. But once the presentation is made, make sure that you practice along with the presentation. It really helps you out when you're actually standing there and giving the presentation. All right. Point number 3, voice modulation. It's a very important tool in public speaking. You might have to vary the pitch of your voice or the pace at which you are talking. There will be instances where you'll have to put stress on some words. And all these things are very important in conveying what you actually are trying to convey. Point number 4, don't use verbal crutches like ha, See, your audience might not even realize that you've forgotten something, but this is how they will definitely know. What you can do is just take a pause. Now, this pause might feel like an eternity for you, but it is not. And believe me, 99% of the times you'll be able to recall what you had to say in the first place. Point number 5, and the most important point, is practice. Practice, 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 because practice makes perfect. Your mirror should be your best friend while you're practicing. And while you're talking to the mirror, your non-verbal skills also improve. Your hand movements, your facial gestures, everything gets better eventually. And with that, I will end this video. If you like this video, please comment below, share this video and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you soon. Bye-bye.